In this map, I have a rich network data set of organizations and their relationships that I've started to visualize. Right now, all the organizations and relationships are loaded in and the network is taking shape, but it's looking pretty drab and unreadable. To fix this, I can use something called a view inside of Kumu. A view is a collection of rules that affect the visual appearance of your elements, connections, and loops, and those rules can be edited from the settings panel on the right side of the map. There are a lot of different kinds of rules you can create. A couple examples are you can color code all organizations here based on their tags. You can hide all connections with the type social relationship. And you can draw new connections to connect all of these organizations by their organization type. Note that these rules are not tied to specific elements, connections, or loops, but instead they're designed to act on groups of items based on the data and the information stored inside of them, which you can also see in the profiles. The rules in your views are all driven by this data. Whether you have 10, 100, or 500 elements, the first rule that I set up is going to find every single element with this advocate for the local environment tag and color it blue, and so on for the other tags. All view rules are completely scalable, meaning that Kumu will apply them to any and all new data that you add. So if I add a new element here and I give it that advocate for the local environment tag, you can see that right away I don't have to do any extra work. It automatically gets this blue flag. And if I add an organization type here, you can see that the new connections get drawn automatically. This data-driven way of customizing your visualization and decorating the map definitely has a bit of a learning curve, but I'm hoping this video helped to show that views can do really amazing things with your data once you get the hang of them. There's a ton to learn about views, but don't feel like you need to learn it all at once. You'll probably learn a lot just by experimenting in your maps, and when you are ready to explore further, you can go to docs.kumu.io and search views.